welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have Citizen Soldier. Yes, they are returning band coming back here on Gruvgear Guitar. Yes, because they deserve it. They were great. Now, let's focus on You Can Be You with Me. That's the new song from them. And we have only like 5 chords. Very simple to handle this one. Without any capo, let's go into the chord world. And we're going to start with the A minor. That is how the song starts. So, A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have F next, which is a bar chord, and that is a bar on the first fret. You push down all strings there as much as you can, and then you go into that third A and put that on there, and then third D and second G. That's the F chord. Next up is C. That will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have G as well. Third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And finally, we have that D minor in the chorus, and that goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. Alright, so the first verse, it goes like this, with A minor, F, C, and G. We're going to learn the strumming pattern. So if you grab the first chord, A minor, you're going to play like this. Okay, so it's first down, 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 up. We can hold there. That's the first half, so to speak. So down, 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 up. And the second half goes up, down, 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 up. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Alright, that's one string round. And you're going to play one of these per chord. So A minor 1, F1, C1, and G1. One round goes like this. Alright, you're going to play 2 rounds of that, and that is the first verse. Now, into pre-chorus at 29 seconds in, if they label you, that's where in the lyrics. Now you're going to change up the strumming. You're just going to hammer downs on this one. And I think of clusters 4 downs. That is one string round. So 4 downs, you're going to start with F. So one round will be like this. And you're going to play then F, 4 string rounds. That means 16 downs, 4 times 4. So 4 on F, A minor, 4, and G, 8. You're going to play that only once. So F, A minor, G. Alright, so it's easier to kind of not count all the downs, you're just gonna feel it. Think of 4 and you're gonna play 4, 4, 8, F, A minor, and G. That is the pre-chorus, and then we're gonna come to that first chorus, You Can Be You. That's the title of the song at 43 seconds in. What you're gonna play now is C, 1 string around, the same strumming as you use for the verse play. So now it's C1, G1, A minor 1, F1. You're going to play it for 2 rounds. And then on the third round, you're just going to play 1 down on C with a pause. And then 1 down on that D minor with a pause. And the pauses, the length of that is as if you would play 1 string round, but you're not. You're just going to play the first down. So I'm going to play round number 2 and round number 3, that's C and D minor. And then so you get both versions here. Let's do it. Alright, that is the first round, guys. Now into the second round, you have the verse played exactly the same as the first one. We don't have any second pre-chorus. You're going to jump right into the second chorus, and that is played exactly the same way as we just learned it. Then after that second chorus comes the bridge part. We're now about 2 minutes and 10 seconds in. What you're going to play now is exactly one pre-chorus. That is exactly what you're going to play. F4, A minor 4, G8 of that 4 down strumming. You're going to play for 2 rounds then. So it's twice as long as the first pre-chorus. Do that, and that's a bridge. Then you're going to fall back into the final chorus. It's the third one. You're going to play that exactly the same way as you played them before. And that's it, guys. Citizen Soldier, they deliver again. So you can be you with me. That's the new song. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Till next time, play tuned.